Replacing a door in your home or business is a significant investment, and one of the most common questions people have is, how long will the replacement take? Whether you're replacing a front door, interior door, or patio door, the time required can vary based on a number of factors. For homeowners and property owners in Birmingham, understanding these factors can help you plan your project and set realistic expectations for completion. Average time frame for door replacement. And in general, the process of replacing a door in Birmingham typically takes between 2 to 6 hours for most standard door installations. However, this estimate can vary depending on several elements, such as the type of door, the condition of the frame, and whether any additional work is needed. Here's a breakdown of factors that influence the time it takes to replace a door. Type of door. Different types of doors have different installation times. A basic internal door, for example, might take less time to replace than an external door. Internal doors. Replacing a standard interior door, which usually involves removing the old door and installing the new one with a new set of hinges and a latch, can take about 1 to 2 hours. External doors. Replacing an exterior door, particularly if it involves security features, insulation, or a composite material, can take longer. These types of doors require more care to ensure they are properly sealed and secure. This process could take anywhere from 3 to 6 hours. Specialty doors. Custom or high-end doors, such as French doors, sliding doors, or bifold doors, often require more time for proper installation, and the process could extend to a full day or even 2. Condition of the existing frame. If the existing door frame is in good condition, the replacement process will likely be quicker. However, if the frame is damaged or out of square, which often happens in older homes, it may need to be repaired or replaced, which can add extra time to the project. A damaged frame might take an additional hour or 2 to address, depending on the extent of the damage. If your new door requires a custom frame to match the opening, this will also extend the overall timeline. Frame issues are often discovered during the installation, so it's important to allow some flexibility in the schedule. Door material. The material of the door also plays a role in installation time. Wooden doors, for example, are generally easier and quicker to install than heavy steel or fiberglass doors. A solid wood door might require more precise adjustments to fit properly, while modern composite or UPVC doors often need more time for careful sealing and insulation. Weather conditions. In Birmingham, weather can sometimes affect door replacement, especially for exterior doors. Rain or high winds may delay the process or require additional precautions. Installers will need to ensure that the home or business is properly sealed during installation, particularly when working with external doors. Professional versus DIY installation. Hiring a professional door installer can significantly reduce the time needed for a replacement. Experienced installers are familiar with the tools and techniques required for a smooth and efficient installation, so the process is often quicker. DIY installations, on the other hand, might take longer, especially if you're not experienced in carpentry or door fitting. Additional features. If you're replacing a door that includes additional features like smart locks, security systems, or specialized hardware, this could add extra time to the job. Complex installations involving electrics or automation can take several hours longer than a standard door replacement. Permits and regulations. If you are replacing a door in a commercial property or if the door replacement involves structural changes, like enlarging the doorway, you may need to secure permits from local authorities. This process can extend the project timeline, so it's important to check the local regulations in Birmingham before starting your replacement. Conclusion. In Birmingham, the typical door replacement can take anywhere from a few hours to a day, depending on the type of door, the condition of the frame, and other factors. While replacing a standard internal door is a relatively quick job, replacing an external door, particularly with custom or high security features, may take longer. Hiring a professional installer can speed up the process and ensure a smooth, high-quality installation. Always plan for potential delays, such as weather conditions or unforeseen frame issues, and you can expect a hassle-free door replacement that enhances the look and security of your property.